Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today, I'm going to address a common question we get pertaining to the inner Beltline moldings for the early square body trucks. Now, GM had two different style clips, a longer style and a shorter style like ours. We made the shorter style as there isn't a lot of volume for the longer style out there, and there's no way to determine which one you need based on a VIN number or trim package that we can figure out. So today, I'm going to show you how to modify your original door panel in order to accept our clips. So the first thing you're going to need to do is measure a 1/4 inch from the bottom of the panel here, because this section's wider on the older ones, and then draw a line all the way down the panel, because that's your cutoff line. The easiest thing it's going to do is like a small cutoff wheel on a Dremel tool. If you don't have one of those, have you use scissors or some other way, tin snips, to cut the panel. As you can see, I cut the panel here already, and that reduces the amount of space here, which allows our clip to seat correctly, and the belt line is on the top of the door panel like it's supposed to be. If your truck has a longer style clip, drop the year in the comments of the video below. This will help us gather some data to figure out what years are affected with this clip. Thanks for watching.